It's organic worm castings by Soto on this beautiful Wednesday, July 29th, 2020. It's looking pretty nice for 22 days, and they're not really biting into the Paper Sling, which is nice. And I'm going to go ahead and give them a nice blended meal. And take a look in after a few days. So we'll go ahead and feed them now. It's almost time for me to make more. It's almost time to make more food for them. I like to blend their food. But I'll give them most of it. And then get a new menu set up for them. This is a little cover up. It looks like it's holding up pretty well. And there's lots of worms in here. One of the things that I do is I just wet the sides here. You can see how it's dry. I'll just take some water and put it in the back and then just press it down. Because I don't want too much water in there because I just fed them, and that's adequate. So I'll go ahead and put this July 7th worm band started to the side and show you some other worm bands that I have to share. This is the worm band I started on May 31st, and I showed it to you when I had to remove the worms because they had already started eating through the sling and eating the bottom of the worm band. So once I got done making the video, I went back into a new band with a new sling wrapped around, and this is a 2-month-old worm band. And now I think it's time to remove the worms. I think the castings are good. And I'll do the same with this worm band as well. I'll go ahead and remove the remaining of the worms. This is the one I have been working on. So I'll finish removing the worms. And start the harvesting process.